Alright, so here's a quick tip on how to create some sort of a music video in Premiere Pro in under a minute or so. So basically we will be using these clips right here in this audio track right here. Okay, so first you're going to drag your audio track on your timeline. There you go. And the very meat of this trick is to place this green marker all over the audio track. So we will be automating these clips right here along those markers. Do not make sense right now, but please do observe what I will be doing. So first we will be playing the music and press M on every beat you hear. Okay. As you can see, I am pressing M on every beat. It's actually up to you how often you want to place markers. Okay, so I guess that'll do for now. So next thing you'd want to do is highlight your clips, all of it, and click on clip, automate the sequence. Make sure this is on at unnumbered markers, which are the markers right here. Okay, so and make sure to click on ignore audio if you don't really need to use the audio of the clip. So click on OK. So there you have it. All the clips are placed along the markers right here. So let's play it. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope you've learned something.